Hello everyone! Today is a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. Once again, I'm teacher Angie. Our lesson for today is about classification of triangles. First, we have classifying triangle according to angles. So, what are types of triangles according to angles? First, we have right triangle. A triangle having a right angle. When we say right angle, we have 90 degrees. Next, we have obtuse triangle. A triangle having an obtuse angle. When we say obtuse angle, the angle is greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees. Next, we have equiangular triangle. From the word equiangular, so meaning equal. A triangle having three congruent or equal angles. This is usually 60, 60, 60 degrees angle. Next, we have acute triangle. A triangle having three acute angles. When we say acute angles, these are angles with less than 90 degrees. Example, classify the following triangle according to angles. In our number one, as you can see, there is a small box here or square. That means 90 degrees. So if there is a 90 degrees angle here, that means the answer is right triangle. Let's check for another right triangle. Okay, number 7 is also a right triangle since there is a small square here. That means 90 degrees. So number 7 is also a right triangle. Number 12 is also a right triangle since there is a small box here. That means 90 degrees. Therefore, number 12 is a right triangle. Number 4, as you can see, this angle is too wide. That means that is more than 90 degrees. Therefore, number 4 is an obtuse triangle. Another obtuse triangle is number 5. Why? Because this angle is too wide, meaning that is more than 90 degrees. Therefore, number 5 is an obtuse triangle. Number 8 is also an obtuse triangle since this angle is more than 90 degrees. For our number 9, it states here S, 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 meaning to say all the sides are equal. If the sides are equal, then automatically that all the angles are also equal. This is the one that I told you a while ago. All the angles are 60 degrees. Therefore, number 9 is equiangular triangle. Number 10 is also an equiangular triangle. Why? Because it states here S times S times S. That means all the angles are congruent. Therefore, number 10 is an equiangular triangle. Number 2, it states here ABC, meaning to say all the angles are different. And it is acute. Therefore, it is an acute triangle. Also, number 3, it states here ABC, meaning all the angles are different. And of course, they are acute. Therefore, number 3 is an acute triangle. Number 6, it states here BBA. So we're looking for the sides. Then the opposite angle of the B are congruent. So the base angle are congruent and one of the angle is different. And we can say therefore that this triangle based on the figure, it is an acute triangle. Number 11 is the same with number 6. As you can see, they are the same, which is also an acute triangle, since all the angles are acute. Next, classifying triangles according to side. So what are types of triangle according to side? First, we have Equilateral Triangle. All three sides are equal and all three angles are 60 degrees. Next, number 2, Isosceles Triangle. Two sides are equal and their two base angles are equal. Number 3, Escaline Triangle. All sides and angles are different sizes. And last but not the least, number 4, Right Triangle. One of the angles is a 90 degrees angle. Example, classify the following triangle according to angles. So let's look for number 1. As you can see in our number 1, this side and this sides are congruent. Why? Because this line and this line, meaning the sides are the same in measurement or congruent. As we learned in our previous slide, if two sides are congruent, then it is an isosceles triangle. Next, let's look for another isosceles triangle. Number 3, the same. This side and this sides are congruent because we have this line and line that symbolize congruent. So number 3 is an isosceles triangle. Another, we have number 4. This side and this side are congruent because of this line. Okay? This line means this side and this side are congruent. Therefore, number 4 is an isosceles triangle. Number 10 is also an isosceles triangle since this side and this sides are congruent. Next, number 2 is a right triangle. This line is perpendicular with this line. If they are perpendicular, it forms 90 degrees. Therefore, number 2 is a right triangle. Number 6, this line is perpendicular with this line. I'll repeat. This line is perpendicular with this line. If they are perpendicular, it forms 90 degrees here. Therefore, number 6 is a right triangle. Number 9 is also a right triangle. Why? Because this line and this line are perpendicular. And again, if they are perpendicular, it forms 90 degrees in here. Therefore, number 9 is also a right triangle. Number 5, as you can see, all the sides are different. That means it is an Escaline triangle. Next, number 8 is also an Escaline triangle since all the sides are different. Number 7, if you notice, all the sides are congruent. Why? Because one line, and one line, that means all the sides are congruent. Therefore, number 7 is equilateral triangle. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Please do watch, like, share, and subscribe. Keep safe. God bless us all. Bye.